Hi guys, ngayon ay magpakain tayo ng dog food. Para sa ating mga stray dog. Hi stray dog. Are you hungry stray dog? Are you hungry? Hungry na stray dog namin. Hungry na stray dog namin. We're going to open the stray dog food. Stray dog, come. Come, stray dog. Okay, lagay natin yung pagkain sa stray dog. Stray dog food. Okay. For the stray dog food. Looks the stray dog food. Look, there's some more food for you. Yeah, stray dog food. This food is donated by a Golden Heart. This food is donated by a Golden Heart people who loves pets, a dog food, who loves a dog, a stray dog, because dog is a man's best friend. That's why he buy a dogs for stray dogs. And now I give my time to this dog for food. Okay. All right. That food is eating. See, that dog is eating. Okay. From the food, from a donated food from a Golden Heart people who loves a dog, a man's best friend. The other one is her son, who's like chicken food, not a dog food. This dog is like chicken foods, not like dog food. He like a bony foods, because chicken foods have a bone and fork also, no? Yun. Okay, while her mother is enjoy to eat a dog food. Alright guys, thank you for the people who donated dog foods for the stray dog. Okay, shout out yan sa mga mababait ng puso na patuloy na nagsuporta sa mga stray dog upang mapakain at mabigyan ng ayuda. Alright, magandang umaga po sa lahat.